Okay guys, I want to tell you one secret. So if we make all the hard surface parts in this tool, so this is one tool and this is sub-tools here. So if we make it one tool, we can make a brush, which we will use to make what? The brush we will use to make all those parts and those rivets and stuff, and everything will be amazing. So next thing we want to do is do exactly this thing, which is which looks a little bit odd, and I don't think we will do it here. Probably this will be sculpted. So no, here, no, this will not be from here. Let's try another thing. So those kind of rivets, or how do you say, caps? Yeah. So caps are everywhere. Here you have two, here you have two, you have a lot here, here also smaller here, and those here are a little bit like flat. Let's see. Down. This we could do here. It's a little bit hard surface. And also we have, those are the same caps as the upper at the shoulders, and these ones are a little bit different. They look more like cones from this angle a little bit. I think it will be more interesting if we make them as cones, and let's make them now. Append. I think a cylinder will be okay if we append a cylinder. If we pretend a cylinder. So when we append a cylinder, it's always like this. It comes like this. So I'll move this here. The thing is that our pendant or something is a little bit on the wrong side, so I'll just rotate it 90 degrees and leave it here. So this, it will be those caps. Let's think. So I don't need it to be with such many sides, this one, because it will, but let's make it. So first, all I want to do is leave just one ring. They're hidden, so we have one ring here. This ring we will increase in height, and then we'll start with the molar brush to insert single edge loops, and yeah, you will see how it goes. So mask this, make it smaller, go up a little bit, insert edge loop, and just select it like I told you. Make it like this, select this one, go like this, select this one and this one. This could be a little bit wrong. Why? Because we have a lot of polygons in the circumference of this mesh, which is not exactly a good idea, because when we have a lot of meshes here with a lot of polygons, it will be a lot of polygons eventually. Inevitable, yeah. So that's a little bit odd, but we'll see. So this will go down. We'll make another of this, select it, just make it like this, and then we will close holes, so both holes will be closed. We'll D, just for good measure, and probably this is it. Let's see it. Okay, this I don't like too much at the top, but it's probably for the best. Maybe. Yeah, it will not be super visible. It will be something like this. Maybe if it's small, we have to just enlarge it a little bit. And I avoid doing this with by hand because it's starting to get off center. So I will probably do it like this a little bit. And then this one a little bit like this. Let's see it. It's not bad, but there are jagged edges here. I don't like it. So what I'll do is remove this, they're hidden. In the back I don't care that much, but here I'm not sure. It's a good idea. So first select this, move it up, make it small, very small. So it will be like this. Then I will, oops, it's difficult, but I will do it. So okay, another one. All right, we'll squeeze this. And let's see it. All right. Can move this a little bit. And then this top part here, what we can do about it is Control N. Okay. We can squeeze it a little bit more, but first I will make another thing here. Then squeeze this more. And then weld points. Wow. Squeeze it more and weld points. Okay. I have welded it and now it's pretty much like we want it to be. I'll just move it down a bit. Move this down. Okay. Okay. Like this. All right. I think this is good, and we'll use this. So now we have this. So let's make the other one, and let me think. I will append a sphere. I will go to the sphere, and since the sphere is pretty much a lot of polygons, so what we'll do? We'll go to the pivot and then press this gear icon here and go to Foley Sphere or Sphere 3D. Let's see Sphere 3D. It's very small, but we can enlarge it. Try to enlarge it a little bit. Oops, yes. It's pretty nice. And it's not so much polygons, which is completely what I like. And also, we can even, let me press W, and we can even just decrease the number of things here, polygons, like this. It will be perfect. And now we will erase part of it, del hidden, make it a little bit like this, and then Z modeler, put one thing here, make it bigger. Oh, make this smaller. Okay, again, make this smaller, and then close holes. Let's see it. It's good cap. It's a good cap. Captain. I think it's pretty good. So we'll use it. But let's first face it. Make it face the right direction. We can use this. And they're separate subtools, so it's not a problem that they're inside each other. This one is facing this way, so we will make the other ones also face this way. Rotating 90 degrees this way. So every and each subtool will have to face the same way. Otherwise, we are doomed. Yes, we'll have to make them a little bit more centered. So this will go a little bit up, so it's more centered. And we will start to make the belt thingy. This one. Belt buckle. Okay, so we need to append a cube. We'll go to the cube, disable the rest. From the cube I always hide everything except for this, and they're hidden. And now this will convert into this part here. I will del hidden also, and then here we will make a extrude of all polygons like this. Flip it. Then we can erase some of it. We can leave only with this and del hidden, and then we can again extrude down. Flip it, and you will see what we have here is what we need. So crease at 1, crease. Okay, maybe a little bit inflate. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, this is a little bit rounded here, so maybe I can do it, but I will do it after we put it on place, because now I don't need to do it rounded. So this thing here is the belt buckle. I will again, let's rotate this 90 degrees, put it here. Alright, now I will append again a cube. I will disable, oops, I will go to the cube first, very important. Then del others than one side of the cube. And then start to make this thing here. So I will erase those parts here, del hidden. Then I will press X for symmetry, but I don't want this symmetry. I want symmetry from top down. So let's try Y symmetry. Yes, Y symmetry is nice. But Y symmetry? Exactly, Y symmetry. No, Y symmetry. But yeah, Y symmetry is good. Why are you doing symmetry? Oh yeah, I understand. So I'm doing symmetry because it's much easier, you know. I'm making this part here, and this is a little bit sharper here, and this. And if I have to make it once and then twice, first it will not be symmetrical, which is bad. In this case, it should be symmetrical. And yeah, I will do double job. And for the things that we can do it once and have it twice. It's a pretty good deal, right? So, probably we should do it. This should go a little bit like this. Just a little bit. Tiny bit. Okay. And then we will have those kind of things. But maybe we can do them later. When, yeah, later. We'll do them later. It's no problem. So duplicate this. Press X. Remove this and this. Del hidden. Go here. Show everything. Hide everything but those two. And then we'll put this as this point here. Okay, let's make thickness of this. So go to Z modeler, extrude all polygons, go down, and we have something. Okay, because we have symmetry, probably, but it doesn't matter because we'll del hidden, and now we have only this. This is what we have. this. So let me think, this is like this, okay. I will select it and then move it down a bit. Then let's see it. All right. Not super bad, but we can make it crease a little bit at 1. And then dynamic subdivisions to 3, just for good measure. It's cool. We'll fix it later. Maybe we should make it a little bit more bigger here. Yes. That's good. Now we get this, put it in the middle, make it a little bit smaller, then extrude it a lot. Flip it. Remove the other one. And then move it up. And let's exit, which is symmetry. Then move. But the symmetry is not here. Okay, it's here. So move it. I like to move it, and we move it here. So basically, as you can see, we have made a lot of things that we will use in the model. Most of them will be used just once, but some of them will be used a lot, like those caps. So it's a good idea to make them in like a brush. Okay, and crease again on, oops, no. Here we'll go like 3 and crease 1. Okay. All right. So let's just move this here. And I think we are kind of ready with this. Let's just merge down. And what is this? Okay. Let's see everything. Okay, we have this. Without symmetry, go here. Probably we should move everything on one place. And now I will show you how to make the brush. So first, we'll go like this and just go to this brush, for example, here. Whatever brush you have here, you just click on it and then create insert multi-mesh. And it's already done. What we need to do is go here and save as, save it in our folder like insert or IMM, which is insert multi-mesh, IMM, caps and stuff. So we can always go ahead and make another brushes and stuff, save it as a in this file, because we will save this file, this tool, and then when we need to make caps, for example, we're going here, and there's a trick. We make our brush smaller, and when we need caps, just click, drag, press Control, release, click, drag, Control, release, click, drag, Control, release, and it always makes them same size. Okay, let's try the other ones. This should be a little bit bigger, so I will increase my brush. All right. Not so big probably. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to be able to put 9 of them. So a little bit smaller, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. They're a little bit jagged, but when we put them for real, we will be more careful. But the idea is that we have them now, which is pretty nice. Also, we can add this here. Wait for it. Okay. We have to add another thing in this. But we don't have time in this video, we will do it in the next video. I will just add it here. We'll have to make, let me show you, those little guys here. Tiny little guys, but we have to make them. So we go here and F will center everything on the screen. And see you in the next video where we'll do these guys and then continue on something else. Okay.